This is happening in Hakha, Chun State, the western part of Myanmar. Two big crowds are gathering at two different midpoints, one at Carson Hall and another at Ralmung Playground, and they are heading to the General Hospital of Hakha to defy the military's deployment at the hospital. The people are chanting the slogans which say, "The People Hospital, give it back to the people." Let's hear the voice from the demonstrator. Of course, I am tired physically, but it doesn't bother me. I can't let you, the new generation, live under the military dictatorship in the future. In 1996, I was the head of the village. At that time, the military arrested and kept me starved for 13 days. When I'm calling back that memory, it reminds me of how brutal the military dictatorship was. I will not allow my people, who are well-educated, young people, suffer from this before me. If it needs to be, I will give my life before you. I am 69 years old, so I will give my life for you, the young generation. The youth, don't be discouraged. Go for it. Go for it. We are winning. We are winning. I will also participate in it leading before you if I am in good health. Put your effort. We are winning. So don't be afraid. Unity is the key to victory. As we are believers, God, whom we worship, will help us. Let's count on Him. Hear our voices. Save Myanmar. Save our next generation.